Now, have you recently lost your sense of smell or taste? If that's the case, you could be experiencing some of the less common symptoms of COVID-19 that a section of Kenyans are now reporting. Coronavirus seems to be more than a respiratory virus, thus people living with diabetes have not been spared. Is there more to the virus than meets the eye? Our medical correspondent, Dr. Mercy Korir, explains.
At the start of the pandemic, the coronavirus was known as a respiratory illness whose main symptoms have been fever, dry cough and difficulty in breathing. But with the ongoing pandemic so far, the list of symptoms has been updated.
Inability to taste or smell is fairly common, and it's highly specific for COVID. So if somebody comes in with a new onset of those symptoms, that's very strongly suggests that it's COVID.
A running nose, sore throat, general body weakness, and at times diarrhea can be related to COVID-19.
New evidence is emerging from across the world that this disease is actually a systemic disease, a disease that has effects on your heart, a disease that has effects on your kidneys, a disease that has effects when it comes to the clotting of your blood and the coagulation of your blood.
While it is the respiratory distress that may necessitate the hospitalization and need for critical care, medics have to be on high alert when someone reports sudden, unexplained high blood sugar levels.
It turns out that it's very common in people who present with COVID and require hospitalization that they will have diabetes they didn't know about.
From this, one of the questions medics are grappling with is whether this is previously undiagnosed diabetes or that the virus induces diabetes.
So sometimes it's that it's actually inducing the diabetes, especially in somebody who's already vulnerable, and sometimes it's just unmasking it was already there, and now that somebody's sick, we're recognizing that's the case.
202 deaths so far and 44 people seriously or critically sick in Kenya. The coronavirus is like an evolving plague that is outmaneuvering health and science experts. With this coronavirus, every day has new developments and insights, which doctors and researchers hope will take them a step closer to understanding this pandemic. Dr. Mercy Korir, KTN News, in Nairobi.